It is week 3 of the mini braids hair growth challenge here on Simply Shev. Let's get into today's video. As you know, in 2023, we are growing our natural hair long, healthy and strong through the use of protective style on our natural hair. I've done a mini twist challenge. Now we are on week 3 of the mini braids challenge. I currently have a cold, so please excuse my voice. But welcome or welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel, checking out my content. Today's video is my 3-week mini braids update, as well as giving you some spring hair care tips for your natural hair. So here I am showing you the amount of growth that I've received in the last 3 weeks of wearing these mini braids on my natural hair. My natural hair is growing very well, and as I've said before, in mini braids I can actually really see the growth that I'm getting, which really motivates me to continue on this challenge. As you know, it's going to be a 12-week challenge, at least 12 weeks, and so I'm expecting to see a good amount of growth within that time, but I'm already seeing lots of growth within week 3. My hair looks a lot older than it would being just 3 weeks in to this challenge, but that's because I've given my hair already 2 wash days at this point, trying to get on top of my scalp, which was quite dirty from dandruff. And so here we are at another wash day. I absolutely love washing my hair in mini braids because my wash day is cut literally down to 15 minutes. And so what I tend to do is to wash my hair by lightly applying some warm water onto it in order to get the product. But wash days when I get most moisture into my hair, and so I'm making sure that that water really gets along all the length of my scalp. And if you like, it's already a treatment. This water on my hair, saturating my hair in this water, is already the first treatment that I do on wash day. Before I get into the spring natural hair care tips that I'm going to be giving you, I wanted to quickly review this product. It is from one of my friends. It's called iCurly, I think it is, purple and white bottle. It is a 3-in-1 sulfate-free triple tamer shampoo, conditioner and detangle, and it says it's for all hair types. The brand is called Nice and Curly, and once again, it was gifted by a friend, so I'm not quite sure exactly how much this product cost. It says, welcome to Nice and Curly Curling Collection. Fun, funky formulas guaranteed to bring out the fab in your naturally curly style for a price you can't resist. The Nice and Curly product is going to give your hair versatility, moisture-rich curl enhancing products that nourish from root to tip, yummy to die for fragrances, a nice curl power for curl control, definition and shine. Now, after I applied this to my hair, I read this bottle and it kept on talking about curl control. And that was a little worrying to me, but I'd already put this in my hair. Now, anytime I hear curl control, I think a good amount of chemicals and perhaps like a relaxer. It said it's a one-of-a-kind shampoo plus conditioner plus ultimate curl manageability controller designed to cleanse, condition, and help to detangle your hair. I was quite, if it's got enriched with green tea, sunflower and almond oil, and so it's got some good stuff in there, but I would never really use this product again. I think I'm going to throw it away. I don't like to throw away products just in case there's an emergency and actually need a shampoo or a conditioner. I guess it could step in, but with the overuse of curl sort of like tamer, I'm thinking it's probably going to do something to my hair. So after I applied this product to my hair, I kind of felt bad for putting it in, and so I'm not pushing this product. I don't tend to push many products at all. I'm just going through my stash. As you know, I'm a recovering product junkie, and so these products have to go. So if you've gotten this far into the video, it would really mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification button. I make videos on taking care of your natural hair. Simply Shev is a channel. I've never had a long hair before. And so on this channel, I'm showing you how to grow your natural hair through simple, easy protective style, giving you week by week growth inspiration. So do go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Check out all the playlists on this channel for much more information on how to grow your natural hair. So I put this product into my hair. It was ready in and I left it on to sit for about 15 minutes. And so as you watch the rest of the video, I want to talk to you about some spring hair care tips. So it is spring, and one of the reasons why I'm so sort of nasal is because I also get allergies this time of year. I love spring. It's a new year, really. The flowers are coming out. I get more time in my garden, and I really sort of have a hope for a brand new year. It's a brand new year for me. And so it's a great time to really reflect on how we are taking care of our natural hair. It's never too late to set goals for your natural hair. So my very first spring hair care tip for you is to set natural hair care goals if you've not done them. You don't have to make them formal. For this year, I'm quite relaxed about my goals. I know ultimately that I want my hair to be very healthy, and I would like to be at waist length. And so you can set goals, but try to set them as smart as possible. I do have videos explaining about smart goals. I'll try to link them in this video. Otherwise, you can do a search, simply Shev and smart hair care goals, and it should pop up. But set yourself some goals that will motivate you. And as I said, spring is a time of hope, and hopefully those goals will motivate you to do something new with your natural hair. The second spring hair care tip is to focus on scalp health. I've been washing my hair a lot more frequently. If you've been on my channel a while, you might notice that. And that's because I'm really focusing on making sure that the base of my hair is well taken care of. If I quickly go back to my garden, I've just really got a good compost mix in my garden bed to ensure that the plants coming up this year have a really good base. And that's what we're doing for our scalp. We're cleaning it, and sometimes we're applying certain products to help it to grow and just give it that extra fertilizer, if you like. And I do use virgin hair fertilizer. You can check out my virgin hair fertilizer playlist. And as usual, virgin hair fertilizer, if you are watching this, I am open to being sponsored. It's a product that's really helped me to get that boosted growth. A few other hair care tips for spring. Wear a sun hat if you're going to be out and about in your garden like myself. Try to find a sun hat that's going to protect your hair from UV rays and ensure that those beautiful natural curls are well protected. You can also exercise, go out a bit more. Once again, spring has that beautiful walks through the parks. Everything's coming up, the daffodils, all the flowers are coming up. So have exercise. You could have a light exercise, walks with your family, taking the children out to the park. It all counts as something to really boost the blood flow to your scalp. And speaking of blood flow into your scalp, try to get some massages in this spring and to ensure that there's more blood flow to your scalp, and you will see boosted growth with that. And a quick final tip for taking care of your natural hair this spring, I might go ahead and do a whole video on this because I realize I'm speaking really fast, is to make sure that your protective styles are really protective styles. You've seen my use this year of just using my own natural hair to grow, and I've been having very few breaks in between with synthetic hair, but mainly I've been growing my hair in mini twists and mini braids on long-term protective style, and those styles are really protective. Ensure that if you're wearing any protective style, that is really protecting the hair underneath or your own hair. Wash it, moisturize it, seal it, and make sure that that hair is conditioned and always quite damp to touch. You don't want your hair to dry out because you will incur breakage. So quickly back to the video then, and just my thoughts on week 3. My hair is looking great. It's growing. I'm very happy with the length of my hair, and really overall in this challenge so far, I feel like the weeks are going to just fly by so fast because I don't have to do very much maintenance to my hair. My wash days are easy. I can apply my Veda, and you can look out for my Veda applications in mini braids coming up. I'll be doing a few rinses with that, a few of the stuff that some of you have been asking me what's in my spray bottles, etc. I'll be showing you some of the spritz that I'm using on my hair, some of the Aveda spritz that's helping to strengthen my hair. And so I've gone ahead and I'm going to go and rinse out all of that product out of my hair. Once again, the product that I reviewed in this video, I will not use again. Once all the product has been rinsed out of my hair, the next step is actually to take care of my hair, go through my normal routine. And as you know, I'm using Escal as my main moisturizer. Remember, the key to growing long natural hair is consistency. Doing the same things over and over again and you'll get great results. After I've put the Escal in my hair, my next thing is to seal. And in the spring, another hair care tip, I'm sealing with humectants. I'm trying to use my castor oil more, although in this video you see me seal with Vaseline or grease-based sealant. I am going to be switching to my castor oil and my glycerin, and the glycerin is already in the Escal, so I'm sticking more to humectants as the weather gets warmer to help my strands to stay even more moisturized. I squeeze out all the excess products that might be in my hair, and I also apply virgin hair fertilizer to my scalp. Once again, please do not apply so much of the virgin hair fertilizer to your scalp. I am due to do a virgin hair fertilizer update video for you, so look out for that in one of the weeks of the challenge, because I know that you love those videos. Virgin hair fertilizer has been helping me to get lots of growth in these mini braids, and so I will be doing an update video for you. So my hair is washed, my scalp has got its product on, the length of my hair is got some moisture in there, and my hair is sealed. That is my wash day, and week 3 in, I'm feeling great about this challenge. I love the way my hair is progressing, and I'm so happy to move on to week 4. Also, I hope in today's video you enjoyed the spring hair care tips. I'm feeling like I need to dedicate a whole other video because I have so many other tips for you on growing your natural hair in spring. So look out for that as well. I do have some comparison video coming up showing you the other challenges that I did before, comparing the growth with this one. And you'll find those quite motivating and exciting as well as I do to put them together to see how much my hair has changed through these challenges. Thank you all so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you and your support. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.